How to get the repost button back on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get the repost button back on TikTok. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on privacy. And now here, once you are inside the privacy section, then what you can do is simply toggle off this option that says private account. So with that being said, here is the thing. So if your account is private, then the repost button may be disappear from your screen. But if you set your account to public, then the repost button will appear on your account. So here simply toggle off that private account option, and after that you can simply go to your feed, and there you can just tap on share button on the video, and there you should see the repost button now. But with that being said, repost option might not appear on every video. So here some users may have disabled reposting on their content. In that case, you can simply look for another video to repost. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.